Let's dive into an exciting journey, starting with the very first step, creating your own AI-powered affiliate website. No tech wizardry needed. It's as simple as a few clicks. Imagine having your website up and running in seconds. Yes, seconds. Now, let's add a unique touch to your website. You can tailor it to your favorite niche, whether it's tech, software, fashion, or any other interest you fancy. This choice will shape the products you'll promote as an affiliate. But here's where the real fun begins: automating your affiliate website with the power of AI. First, head over to ChatGPT and ask it for some article ideas. For instance, you could request Top 10 Gaming Laptops of the Year. ChatGPT will quickly provide you with fresh and exciting ideas. Next, instruct ChatGPT to find 10 affiliate programs related to gaming laptops. A quick Google search will help you locate these programs, and once you're registered, you'll receive your very own unique affiliate links. Now, back to ChatGPT one last time, this time asking it to generate an article titled Top 10 Gaming Laptops of the Year, incorporating the 10 affiliate programs it recommended earlier. Like magic, AI delivers precisely what you need in a matter of seconds. Once you have your article, simply copy and paste it into your preferred website builder. Voila, your affiliate website is ready to go. And here's the thrilling part. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where we'll reveal how we made a whopping $5,000 in just 24 hours from an affiliate website entirely powered by AI. Don't miss out on our captivating content. Be sure to subscribe so you're always in the loop for our latest and most intriguing videos. The second method involves setting up an AI affiliate YouTube channel. This approach is quite interesting because YouTube is one of the fastest ways to make money through affiliate marketing. When you combine this with the first method, it can become a powerful tool to attract a lot of free visitors to your affiliate website. Let's start by discussing how to use AI to start an affiliate YouTube channel. First, you'll need to set up your YouTube channel. You can use ChatGPT to come up with a channel name and Canva to design the logo and banners for your videos. Instead of asking ChatGPT to generate a script, consider using it to create a guide, as this often results in a more professional outcome. You can then take this script and use an AI voiceover tool. One of the best options is Flaky AI, which even allows you to replicate voices from existing YouTube videos you admire. Once you've obtained your voiceover, get ready for a technique that can automate the entire process of creating YouTube videos, allowing you to produce them in as little as 5 minutes. The process is straightforward. Search for demo videos or product trailers related to the products you're promoting on YouTube, download them, and then string them together in your video editor. Add your AI voiceover, and you're good to go. In fact, many YouTube videos that follow this exact formula are getting thousands of views. After uploading your video, include your affiliate links in the description, and you've got an automated AI affiliate YouTube channel ready to generate substantial profits. But wait, there's more. Remember when I mentioned that you could connect your AI affiliate YouTube channel with your AI affiliate website to double your profits? Well, here's the secret sauce. Every time you create an article for your website, you can also create a corresponding video for YouTube. Instead of including affiliate links in your YouTube video descriptions, link back to the article on your website. In essence, you're using YouTube as a platform to advertise, and your website becomes the money-making destination. And what if I told you that you could combine both your affiliate site and your affiliate YouTube channel? Before we move on to the next step, let me ask you something exciting. Have you ever used AI to make some extra money? If you have, we'd love to hear which AI tools you've tried. Share your experience in the comments below because it could be really helpful for others. But that's not all. If you enjoy our videos, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing means you won't miss any of our future videos. And if you want to be one of the first to know when we release something new, just tap the notification bell. Thank you. Moving on, we're going to talk about the third method, which is automated email affiliate marketing. This method is a classic in the world of affiliate marketing. And with ChatGPT, you can automate every step of the process. To start, you'll need to build an audience that subscribes to your affiliate emails. And honestly, it's not as hard as you might think. Regardless of the strategy you choose, I strongly recommend offering something valuable in return. For instance, you could provide subscribers with discount codes. Once you have subscribers, you can use ChatGPT to automate the entire affiliate marketing process. For example, ChatGPT can generate an email titled, "The Best Tech Deals of the Month," with various affiliate links. Every time a subscriber clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on that sale. This method is widely used by top companies and even many YouTubers. In my experience, it's a valuable addition to your toolkit. Method number 4. The shorter version of affiliate marketing has the potential to completely transform how affiliate marketing works. Let me break it down for you by explaining how your earnings from affiliate marketing are directly connected to how many people see the products you're promoting. With the rise of short videos becoming super popular, it's easier than ever for your content to go viral. What's even cooler is that artificial intelligence can help create these viral short videos for you without much effort on your part. This development is a big deal in the world of affiliate marketing and could make it a lot easier and more profitable for everyone, no matter their level of experience. Thanks a lot for watching, folks! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button down below. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. It's completely free and ensures you won't miss out on any of our exciting content in the future. Now we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your favorite part of this video in the comments section. We love connecting with our viewers and building a vibrant community right here on YouTube. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy by